Well, digital refers to the way sound's processed. See, a little more than a decade ago, all hearing aids were analog, which means the hearing aids were basic amplifiers with no ability to self-regulate the sounds. The results were over-amplification around loud sounds and noise. That all changed with digital technology, and it continues to improve and progress every year at a very rapid rate. Which brings us to channeling. A channel is simply a thermostat for sound. It allows the practitioner to separate the individual frequencies, program them to respond independently of each other, and the result is better and more comfortable sound quality. Fewer channels means frequencies are grouped and less responsive in noise. More channels allows the device to separate and respond to the situation better, which improves clarity and comfort. So how many is enough? Well, that depends on your lifestyle and environment. Typically, I prefer 8 to 12 channels, which are sufficient for most all environments, and 16 channels would be about the maximum need. And yes, I know there are claims by some manufacturers to host dozens of channels now. That's mostly done by redefining the definition of a channel to fool the consumer. It has very little effect on the sound quality or one's ability to understand speech and conversation. If I had to choose, the single most important feature would be the speed at which that processor adjusts those channels. Older, slower design processing means your brain is waiting on the hearing aid to figure things out, and they tend to cost far less than the really good processors on the market today that get the job done about as quickly as life happens. Sadly, some manufacturers still produce those older processors in the newly built hearing aids because there's a demand for cheaper hearing systems, even though they don't perform as effective. In short, it either comes down to fitting the hearing problem or the pocketbook.